Consciousness, the human edge in the AI revolution. What if I told you that the most powerful tool you possess isn't your smartphone, your education, or even your creativity? It's something far more profound, something you're using right now to process these words. I'm talking about consciousness, the mysterious, awe-inspiring quality that makes you you. In today's video, we're diving into why consciousness is humanity's ultimate superpower in the age of artificial intelligence. We'll explore what it is, why it matters, and how you can harness it to thrive in a world increasingly dominated by machines. What is consciousness? Consciousness is the greatest unsolved mystery of human existence. It's your subjective experience, the feeling of being alive, the awareness of your thoughts, and the ability to perceive the world around you. Think of it like this. When you wake up in the morning, it's the light that turns on in your mind. It's the reason you can feel the warmth of the sun, savor the taste of your favorite food, or get lost in a beautiful piece of music. But here's the kicker. Despite all our scientific advancements, we still don't fully understand how consciousness works. Philosopher David Chalmers called it the hard problem. How does the physical brain create the rich, inner world of experience? The components of consciousness. While consciousness remains a mystery, we can break it down into key components. Self-awareness, recognizing yourself as distinct from others. Qualia, the unique feel of experiences, like the redness of an apple or the sweetness of chocolate. Intentionality, the ability to direct your thoughts towards something. Unified experience. Your life feels like one seamless story, not a jumble of disconnected moments. Metacognition, thinking about your own thinking, like right now, as you ponder consciousness. Consciousness in daily life. Consciousness isn't just some abstract concept. It's a stage where your entire life unfolds. Every decision you make, every relationship you nurture, and every moment of joy or sorrow happens within the theater of your awareness. Think about it. When you laugh at a joke, it's your consciousness that finds it funny. When you feel empathy for a friend, it's your consciousness that connects you to their emotions. In a world increasingly driven by data and algorithms, consciousness is what transforms information into meaning. Consciousness and religious beliefs. Throughout history, spiritual and religious traditions have placed consciousness at the center of existence. Many view it as a divine essence. In Christianity, Islam, and Judaism, it's often called the soul. In Hinduism, it's referred to as the atman. In Buddhism and Sufism, it's seen as the inner light or spirit. These traditions remind us that consciousness isn't just a biological function. It's something sacred, something that connects us to something greater than ourselves. Consciousness and AI. Now let's talk about AI. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world at an unprecedented pace. It can write essays, diagnose diseases, and even create art. But here's the thing, AI doesn't have consciousness. It can process data, but it can't feel. It can mimic creativity, but it can't experience inspiration. It can follow ethical guidelines, but it can't understand morality. This is where humans have the edge. Our consciousness gives us abilities that AI can't replicate. Creativity. We don't just solve problems. We imagine entirely new possibilities. Empathy. We can truly understand and share the emotions of others. Moral agency. We make decisions based on values, not just algorithms. The consciousness advantage. In the age of AI, I call this our consciousness advantage, the uniquely human abilities that set us apart. Meaning making. We don't just process information, we find purpose in it. Emotional intelligence. We connect with others on a deep, emotional level. Intrinsic motivation. We pursue dreams, not just tasks. Ethical decision-making. We weigh right and wrong based on conscience, not code. Adapting to the AI revolution. So, how do we adapt to this new era? Here are 4 ways to leverage your consciousness. Redefine success. Focus on purpose and impact, not just productivity. Embrace lifelong learning. Reskill not just your mind, but your awareness. Design human-AI collaboration. Use AI as a tool, not a replacement. Build conscious workspaces. Foster environments that value emotional intelligence and ethical leadership. Your consciousness isn't just a biological accident. It's your superpower. In a world of algorithms and automation, it's what makes you uniquely human. So, how will you use your consciousness to thrive in the AI revolution? Let me know in the comments below. If this video sparked something in you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more deep dives into what makes us beautifully human. Remember, the most advanced technology isn't silicon-based. It's a miracle of you, fully aware and fully alive.